Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we work on saying the sounds in words and then spelling the words just using the sounds we say. Okay, let's get started. Our first word is sock. Sock. So let's say the sounds s-a-k. Again, s-a-k. And we're going to write the sounds we hear. S-a-k. Sock. Now, let me remind you, this is our inventive spelling. We can spell anything we want by just listening to the sounds. Later, when we get a little bit older, we might learn that there are other ways to spell those words. Our next word is mop. Let's say the sounds in mop. M-a-p. M-a-p. And let's write it. Uh-oh. I forgot to leave a space in between my words. That won't make any sense. We won't know where it starts. That was silly. Okay, let me leave a space. Remember, we're doing mop. M-a-p. There we go. Mop. Now let's do pot. Say the sounds in pot. P-ot. Again. P-ot. And let's write those sounds. And don't forget that finger space. Here we go. P-ot. Pot. Next we have pit. That avocado pit. Okay, say the sounds with me. P-it. P-it. Let's write that word. P-it. Okay. Are you ready to do tag, like a price tag? Okay. Say the sounds. T-ag. T-ag. And let's write those sounds. T-ag. And our last one is a little friend visiting, a dog. Okay, excuse me for a second. I need to cough. Sorry. Okay, back to dog. We're doing dog. Here we go. Say the sounds in dog. D-a-g. D-a-g. And let's write those sounds. D-a-g. There we have it. Not too hard once you know how to write the letters. See you next time.